talking, Mum.
You behave yourself today.
Me?
No injuring your mother today, please.
How's your neck today?
Not good.
37 is where you park. Dinosaur 37, dinosaur 37, dinosaur 37 is where you park.
Dinosaur 37, dinosaur 37. What? Dinosaur 37, dinosaur 37.
You're a mug. Look at you. Give her a shake. We all have
Left over there by that clay wall, that is
the
a
smaller
black
of the two
rhino
rhino species. Fully grown, they'll only actually crush the bones of their prey in just one chomp. Take a look on the right-hand side of the vehicle. Those guys with the big long horns are Ankole cattle, up to 60 inches long on each side of their head. They use those the same way that us humans right over there on the left-hand side. Looks like we have a whole herd near us. Take a look over there. Herds of elephants are those large groups. You'll find it's much larger than that of the Asian elephant. It is also vaguely shaped like the continent of Africa. It's an easy way to tell there. Resistance, which helps to keep them upright while running, as they do have a very high center of gravity. The striped animals are Grant's zebra, is also known as the common zebra. They are a relative of the horse, capable of running at a top speed of 4.
He's itchy. That's a boomer. So hey.
You don't even feel like
Yeah. Kill. He's going in for the kill. He's going. Oh damn, he's in. Look at that head. It blends in with the water. Oh, so smooth.
So nice.
Oh wait. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get your feet away. Oh, that's not too bad. You still in the mood with me? Why?
because you're horrible to me.
You still
I've had enough of it now.
you're still coming on the ride, so with me.
Well, I'm not gonna not enjoy myself. If I want to go, I'll go.
Monkey.
Oh my goodness, look.
It's a little monkey.
70 minutes by the look of it. That's it over there, it's 70 minutes.
No, really, Lib. That's, I had no idea that's how queues worked. Question, Susan. One question, Susan. Jenna.
I hope those car keys are in this bag.
What'd you say?
Car keys, 'cause I
That's a cool monument thing. Had what? Nobody's touched your jerky, Lauren. Take a chill pill, bro.
That water and light harmoniously unite to create the wonder